couple turns empty land into wildlife reserve.
Pamela and Anil Malhotra bought 55 acres of land in India in 1991. For the next 26 years, they let the native plants on the land grow freely. They also bought more land, so they now own 300 acres of beautiful forest. These 300 acres are a wildlife reserve, the Save Animals Initiative. Over 300 types of birds live in the reserve. Several different types of animals live there as well, such as elephants and tigers. Pamela and Anil had to teach people not to hunt the animals. Luckily, people listened to them. Now, the reserve is a safe and beautiful place for both animals and people.